You did what now? Ugh, jeez. Did she kill something?
You may want to. I'll talk to Maya first.
Oh, God. Maya, what'd she do?
She killed a rabbit.
Are you serious?
I'm being so serious. How the fuck did she catch a rabbit? That was like the world's fastest creature. What? Ugh. Please be alive. Please be alive. Please be alive. Oh, that's Stephanie. That's dead.
Oh, no, no, no. You're so proud of yourself. That's disgusting.
She had just did something so good.
You have been air jailed. She puts you down, you have to be quiet. You're going to be quiet if she puts you down? Because it's been so loud already this morning. Okay.
Oh no, my thing's gonna get
Tess, get over here.
She can't. The door's locked.
Good. She's imprisoned as she should be. Why are you wet?